Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In this video, I will be discussing how to use your laptop as a display for Raspberry Pi in just 6 steps. In the first step, you have to remove your SD card from your Raspberry Pi and insert it into your laptop. Then navigate to the SD card and create a new text file. Name it ssh.txt. Then rename that file to just simple SSH without any extension. The reason is that we will be using SSH protocol for communication between your Raspberry Pi and your laptop. Then remove that SD card and replace it back to the Raspberry Pi and power the Raspberry Pi on. The next step is to install the Putty in your laptop for communication configurations. You can install the Putty by going to this link. You will be navigated to this page. In this page, you will be just have to click on this link. This page will be open, and based on your system configurations or system architecture, you have to install the respective file for your laptop. I'll be using this file. Now, after installation of the Putty in your laptop, you have to connect your Raspberry Pi to your laptop using an Ethernet cable. Then you have to share your laptop's internet to the Raspberry Pi using Ethernet cable. This step will be done as follows. You have to navigate to your Wi-Fi, then network and internet settings, then navigate to the network and sharing center. You will see now your Wi-Fi here, and click on that. A dialog box will be opened up. Then you have to go to the properties. In that dialog box, there's a sharing tab. Click that tab and just tick these boxes and select local area connection. Just press OK. And this LAN cable will be sharing your network. The next step is to go to the Putty and type some commands. Let's move to the Putty. This dialog box will be opened up. In this dialog box, you have to write first of all this command, raspberrypi.local. And just make sure this SSH protocol will be checked out. You can see now a console is opened up. It's prompting out login as. You have to write pi. Then it is demanding password. Just type raspberry. You can see now pi@raspberry pi. This thing is ensuring that your Raspberry Pi is now linked up with your laptop. So you can now access your Raspberry Pi. The next step is that you have to type sudo raspberry-config. This command will make configuration file opened up to your laptop so that you can enable some servers or something like that. Just type that command, sudo raspi.config. Okay. This prompt will be opened up. Then what you have to do is that locate the interface options. Go to SSH first, enable yes. The service is now enabled. Then again to the interface, then click on the VNC. This prompt is saying that you want to be it to be enabled or not. Click yes. Now you have to go to system options, boot and auto login setup, desktop auto login, desktop GUI. Just click on this thing, and then you have to click on the finish. It will be saying that you want to reboot now. Click yes. I have set it all the configurations prior to this video, so I will not be rebooting it, but you have to reboot it after this configuration. After all the setup, you have to close the terminal. Now, what you have to do is to just the last step, and that's installing VNC Viewer on your laptop by just clicking on this link. Now the link will be opened up and you will be directed to this page. Based on your OS, you can select any of it, and I have already downloaded it, so I will not be going to that step. But yeah, if you are feeling any problem in that installation, just ask me in the comment section. So after downloading the VNC Viewer, what you have to do is that locate to the VNC Viewer, and here you have to type some commands. I'll be sharing that in the descriptions commands. Okay, you have to type rasp. First of all, make sure that if you have any prior VNC servers connected to this, you have to delete them. raspberrypi.local. After pressing enter, it will demanding authentication. Just type pi and raspberry. After pressing it, your screen will be shown. That will be showing you your Raspberry Pi screen. Here you can just do whatever you want to do, program, use internet using Chromium, or any other thing what you want to do. Inshallah, we will meet in the next video with some more information about technology and engineering stuff. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.